Obaseki fit spoil Edo State like this. I just shocked just now for wetin this our brother Osakwunokwuo dey talk just now. The thing just shockalize me. Na so Edo State come be. Does it mean say nobody dey fit talk again for Edo State? I no understand. Una need to listen to wetin Osakwunokwuo dey talk for this video. The thing shockalize me, my darling people. Like seriously, the whole world, the whole Edo State. Una need to hear this one. No, this one shocked me, my darling people. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, I go put the video now more now listing. Edo State don't just be like this. Like seriously, una need to hear wetin Osakwunokwuo dey talk. Like seriously, una need to hear am, my darling people. Thank you. But and share this video, please. Help me to share the video so that make it go viral, so that make the whole Edo State, the whole world hear wetin Osakwunokwuo dey talk for this video. Thank you. Bye.
As to form the basis of our communication. Some persons are telling us that we have a more salubrious environment in Nigeria. That because of the fact that we are living in good health, because of the fact that we have a very available natural resources, because of the fact that we have a fertile soil, because of the fact that we are not plagued by environmental disaster, because of the fact that we have good sunlight, because of the fact that we have more and enormous energy, there is need for us to celebrate. But the question is this: those 1% who are benefiting immensely from this country, what have they invested in this nation? What have they invested in this nation? A government that has refused to allow people to speak. As we speak today, Nigeria lacks the right to the freedom of expression. You can't talk. Just because of the fact that Twitter gave Nnamdi Kanu and others the opportunity to air their view. The federal government banned Twitter. When they know that there is a huge economic blow on their decision, the president ran again during the president to say, we have lifted the ban. Who called you to lift the ban? Who called you to lift the ban? Your analog system that you run in the 80s, while you are the president of Nigeria, this was what happened in the 80s. This is what is happening again today. Under the tutelage of President Muhammadu Buhari. Under the tutelage of President Muhammadu Buhari, nobody can speak. He ostracized people, he sent people to prison, he intimidates citizens, and as far as they are concerned, he has nothing to offer to Nigeria. But he's coming out to tell people to celebrate which independence? Nigeria is a fool at 40, and fool at 40 is a fool forever. And Nigeria, oh, we are. As we speak today, it is not a guarantee that you can eat in this country. People in the sales are going to go to the side. They live well. Let me tell you the simple truth. I was the first to get an appointment in Edo State, but my appointment came from Edo people. My appointment came from Edo people around the world. Everybody know appointed. I've gotten an appointment. I have been appointed by those around the world. But let's tell ourselves the simple truth. How many persons currently take care of themselves in Nigeria? I actually went to the market today to carry out a feasibility study. My dear, if you see meat 15,000 naira, you know what is 15,000 naira? A very huge amount of resources. When you want to work it is difficult, but to spend it, it is valueless. It is valueless. Give me some minute. I would like to take a verse again from this music. Are we going to cook with Elizabeth? Wait. Just listen. I am in agreement with the woman there. But there is an inspiration in the song. There is no so if we have, do not allow anybody to deceive you. They come out on it. You could recall that sometime in the past, the son of the president got an accident with bike. Do you know how much is that bike? 144 million. 144 million naira. And as we speak on a daily basis, the president cow, when he tell us saying get, not a pass 150. During 2015 run-up election, the cow has been 150. Today the cow is 150. This is the same man who claimed not to be corrupt. As we speak, we now have corporate corruption in Nigeria. Corporate corruption. Here you have to legal view. They are stealing on a daily basis. Those who you found in prison, ask this government, how many of the APC members, this is not a party affiliation anyway, but how many of his allies, who we know to be a clearly corrupt personality, have been sent to prison? No. No. As far as we are concerned, governments in Nigeria are all jokes. They are jokes. They are jokes. Well, look at what is happening across the country. The government is quick to come out to say, we know some people who are supporting terror. We know some people who are supporting this. But on a daily basis, the United States government gives you information and detail in reference to those who are celebrating and protecting Boko Haram. This government has refused to speak. The government of Nigeria is not fighting terrorism. The government of Nigeria is fighting those terrorists that want to truncate their government. They don't care about you. They are only protecting government. They are not protecting you. Go to the market and see. You can't eat. If you can eat in Nigeria 3 times a day, anybody who is telling you, say, brother, you be flex for food. Is food flexing? Is it not necessity? Is it not your right to eat? Is it not your right to eat as a human being? But today the most expensive thing in Nigeria is food. And the cheapest thing in Europe and even some African country is food. The government of Nigeria has no road in Nigeria, but we are busy tying road to other countries. Is that not a misplaced priority? The Nigerian government has spent over $100 billion from the 80s to date in the power sector. People don't know that. From 1999 to date, we have spent over $58 billion in power. Do you know what is $58 billion? We're going to say, the government will going to tell you, we want to borrow, we want to borrow, we want to borrow. What are we using this whole money for? What are we using this whole money for? Are they reflecting anywhere? No. They keep telling you on a daily basis, keep calm, keep calm. Go and check the whole university in Nigeria. You know what I say the sons and daughters of this people? How would they build a good educational sector for you? A friend of mine told me the other time, now that you've rounded up your program, you are still a unit now. Any moment from now, you're going to round up your master program. Just make sure you get doctorate degree. I told them, keep quiet. I won't do that anymore. If I want to do it, I will not do it in Nigeria, because when you leave Nigerian school elsewhere, even if you are the best in Nigeria, you are a competent aficionado. A man who brings a certificate from London will defeat you, because your government knows that there are no value in your institution. Everyone said, how many of us have been able to fix a plane? How many of us have been able, as an electrical engineer, or as an engineer, you say, okay, now I have come out with an innovation, like aeroplane, or like even a vehicle. If somebody makes a little aeroplane or a drone in Nigeria here, by tomorrow morning it will be taken to America. On a daily basis, we are being plagued by brain drain because our government is irresponsible. Our government is purely irresponsible. I'm talking now, my friend here, my brother, he said I should talk about Obaseki. Obaseki is just a fragment, a Edo state. When we want to deal about Edo state, we have the whole of us has the right to question Obaseki. We have that right. But today we are talking about the nation. Is there a Edo state that celebrated independence? This is the problem we are having. Citizens on a daily basis confront themselves to protect these bourgeois. As we speak, none of these politicians who are in the aim of affair is broke to the level of having 1 billion naira in their account. No matter how broke they are, they can never be broke to have just 1 billion. Do you know what is 1 billion? The whole potential we see for road, don't we do a car wreck? All of them they get about 1 billion. Do you know what is 1 billion? And we are talking now. Some person say this one, leave this one. If I'm talking about federal government, you go and talk about Obaseki. It's your responsibility. Go and talk about it. We are not shading anyone. As far as we are concerned today, do you see? Every man, oh God. Oh God. You just say easy. To eat in Nigeria is not a guarantee. People when they say, stop this one, they say, they don't give us small tea. Because they thank them. They say, thank you for help. You don't know where. Come, let me tell you. I know that thing where that person do for me, it's not easy for me to get them. And I can't get them free. If they say me do one by myself, it's not easy. So if I get them free, now I'll use my knee tear up ground to appreciate. Because it's not an easy task in Nigeria. Our resources today, the naira, is as worthless as Zimbabwean dollar. Our resources is as worthless as Zimbabwean dollar.